Okay, so now you've opened up the heart shape keys file. You can go in and select the heart, and just by clicking on it, left mouse clicking. Before we do anything, I'm just going to ask you to go Command comma and open up the preference window, go to input and tick emulate numpad. Then if you hit numbers on the keyboard, so 3 goes to the side view, 1 goes to the front view, 7 to the top view, 0 to the camera view. So that's one way you can move around, or you can double finger scroll around. So what we're going to do is we're going to animate our heart to the sound that I've uploaded into the file of a heartbeat. And I've put little markers in for each of the key beats. And so what we're going to do is over here in the shape, we'll select our heart. Over here in the shape keys, we're going to hit the plus button, and then we're going to hit it again. We're going to make a key. So this key is going to be with part of the heart stretched out. So what we're going to do is tab into edit mode. So hit tab. You can see up here, you can change it to edit mode. We're going to get the selection tool, the circle select. Just drag over the polygons and select them. Okay, in the area that you want to stretch out. And then I'm just going to sort of go around to the side view, or hit 1 and then hit G, and I'm going to stretch that whole bit out. Okay, so now that's the first key. So I'll tab back, and you'll see that right now the value is set at 0. It's gone back to 0, but if I drag over that value and drag to the right, it's going to go from 0 value to 1, which is fully expanded. So what you can do is, on the timeline, go to the first beat and extend that value right out. It's probably a bit too drastic, and then you're going to put a little keyframe in, so you can just add a keyframe by clicking that little white dot so it becomes a diamond. And then a couple of frames in, a few frames in, maybe by frame 8, we're going to drag that back down and then click it again. So now you've got a keyframe, and in here you can actually just, in the timeline, you can just select all those keys, Command C, and then drag across, scrub the playhead, and Command V to paste those keys in at the key heartbeat points. Okay, so now if you hit 0 and go to that view and then hit play, you'll see the heart is beating roughly at the right rate. So you can add another little beat down on this side of the heart at the time where you can see in the signature here to the sound wave there's another beat. And then once you're finished and you want to export this animation, you can preview it in this little view up here, where it looks like a little ball, bubble gum with a reflection. So you can export a render. So your only thing you need to change, really, I've set it up so it's going to do a render for you, is the location. So you just need to choose that little file and choose maybe your download folder, and so select that and then hit accept. Then what you need to do is go render animation, and Blender is going to, I'll remove this bit, is going to just render each frame, and it's going to make a movie in that location that you select.